Today I will present you two amazing gadgets. Let's start with the bed mites removal vacuum cleaner robot. With the high frequency non-wave ultraviolet light can directly penetrate mites and eggs, destroy their DNA and kill them instantly. You just leave the bed and let the robot do the rest. It's full of sensors and cannot fall down. Weight about 360 grams and the battery use time is about 120 minutes. Let's move on with an amazing 3D calendar. We talk about a piece of craftsmanship using pieces and pieces of high quality papers. It is perfect for memo and message card and also an amazing surprise gift